Abby here, hopping on to give you a quick review of this baby food multi-steamer by the brand FIRGI. This thing is amazing. It is food grade silicone, so it's really nice and bendable here, as you can see. Still very sturdy quality. I love that it's really easy to use and really easy to wash. I love adding vegetables in here, and then I steam them in the microwave with just a little water. I put the lid on, and then voila, I just smash it, and that is the baby food that I'm using. Amazing. I absolutely love it. It's 100% platinum silicone. Overall, it's such a great quality. I absolutely love this. It makes my life a lot easier as a mama. If you're starting to make your own baby foods, this is a must-have. I highly recommend it.